Everybody to listen to. It's talking about love and it's talking about hate. You know, I think the only way we're gonna do away with hate is to get so much love going around till there just won't be any more hate. There's so much hate going on today on the right and on the left. You see, we hate our brothers, yes we do, and we hate our own self. There's even hate going on today between the young folks and the old. Can't you see all this hate is really eating up our very soul? That's why I'm singing now. I hate hate. Everybody listen to me. I hate hate. All sing together now. I hate hate. But good Lord above, don't you know I love love? I really, really love love. All right, I want you to listen to this next little verse, and if you feel like it, sing along. And if you don't want to sing along, maybe you can clap your hands.